Also, you are doing it. Ishan, spokesperson of Osmania University Joint Action Committee. At one side, when Telangana state is to be a reality, Seemandhra politicians are doing their lobbying to stop the Telangana statehood to become from reality. It happened in 2009 where they did a resignation drama. Once again in 2013 also, when Congress High Command is coming to a conclusion to give their statement over Telangana, which they haven't given for many years. But once again, the Seemandhra politicians, let it be the ministers or member of parliamentarians or MLAs, they are going again to Delhi to say against Telangana, to stop the Telangana statehood. It is nothing to do with United Andhra. It is their only love towards Hyderabad and all their industries and their assets and properties which they have kept in Hyderabad. And they are also encouraging on wall writings to write pro-United Andhra, saying that they would save United Andhra to be from split. This United Andhra slogan is a drama. Only Telangana is the real statehood for which 4.5 crore people have laid their sacrifices. They have done their agitation. Thousands of students have sacrificed for this Telangana statehood, and many are still fighting for the Telangana region and Hyderabad as capital. We are giving a clear statement to all those politicians that we are not going to leave Hyderabad or Telangana. Telangana statehood will become a reality. Otherwise, Congress party will have to lose in the 2014 elections. Hyderabad is the heart of Telangana and it has to be the capital. And if these people do not stop by saying the slogans United Andhra and doing such kind of cheap tricks by writing it on wall, we will definitely put black paint everywhere wherever they write. And also, if they do not stop such kind of cheap tricks and activities, we will put paint on all those Seemandhra politicians who are trying to stop Telangana statehood.
And Seemandhra politicians, all ministers also, they are in government. They went to the Delhi and the High Command. They are requesting, they are demanding whatever it is to stop Telangana. How do you see the ministers?
This is a drama being led by Chief Minister N. Kiran Kumar Reddy himself, who is trying to stop Telangana for his personal politics. He is hurting the sentiments of Telangana people. He is heading from behind the background of the entire drama by making the Seemandhra ministers. The Congress party has to answer about this politics. At one side they are saying that Telangana statement would be given, and at one side Seemandhra politicians are doing this kind of drama to stop the Telangana statehood reality. Here we are seeing that these Seemandhra ministers or Seemandhra politicians, they are not anymore as politicians. They are businessmen who are eyeing only on Hyderabad city.
And how do you see the YSRCP MLAs has resigned?
It is only to concentrate their vote bank in United Andhra. Everyone, let it be YSRCP or any political party, they are using the United Andhra slogan to get the vote bank. And YSRCP being in jail, Jagan Mohan Reddy, the Supreme Court itself is going to answer on the verdict on YS Jagan Mohan Reddy. Let it be YSRCP politicians who are just trying to do this drama. Telangana people are going to fight against this drama.
But they are demanding not to split the Rayalaseema. They are not opposing the Telangana, but they are demanding not to divide the Rayalaseema.
We are also accepting that statement and that decision. We are appreciating for their statement. We are also fighting for Telangana state, and we also demand that Rayalaseema also should be given a separate state status, because they are also not willing to stay with Andhra, coastal Andhra. So here everyone has given an understanding that no one wants to be with coastal Andhra region. Everyone wants to divide from the Andhra region. So there is no point in continuing at all. Rayalaseema, Andhra and Telangana, there have to be three separate states, because the population also is major and there is no problem in dividing the states.
There would be a statement like proposal Rayal Telangana. Now how do you respond on that?
We are not going to accept Rayal Telangana. Not only Telangana people, Rayalaseema people also do not want their state to be split in two different parts. They do not want to go with Andhra, they do not want to come in Telangana. So this Rayal Telangana, let it be Jaipal Reddy's vote bank politics or caste community politics, or let it be Kiran Kumar Reddy's politics or any factionist. We do not want any factionist to rule Telangana state. We want politicians from our Telangana, elected representatives of our Telangana, to rule the Telangana state, because this fight is for self-respect and self-rule. So we are asking only Telangana with Hyderabad as capital.
And do you believe after CWC meeting there will be a decision on Telangana?
UPA has been cheating many a times, though the allies also are supportive. Congress party has not given a statement. They have fooled the Telangana people many a times, but with Telangana Congress taking the lead, we are hoping that they would do some better. If they do not, then 2014 people will show the verdict to Congress party.